from my county.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Camden County in southern New Jersey, northern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 6 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Oak Valley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Pittman and Westville around 5 p.m., Turnersville and Belmar around 5:05 p.m., Magnolia around 5:10 p.m., Linden, Walton, Sicklerville around 5:15 p.m., Berlin and Voorhees around 5:20 p.m., Malkin Lakes and Atco around 5:25 p.m. This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing wind damage in Gibbstown and Gloucester County. Do not stay outdoors. Seek shelter immediately. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey and southeastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester. The following